What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to save a frame from a video on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to launch the Hash Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. Find and tap the video you want to extract an image from. The video viewer will open automatically. Now if the video is playing, tap the pause button to stop playback. Use the scrubber bar at the bottom of the screen to slide through the video. Make it move slowly until you reach the exact frame you want to save as an image. Tap the three dots menu located in the bottom toolbar, then tap on Convert. Then choose Save Current Frame Image. The selected frame will be saved as a photo in your library. Just note that Save Current Frame Image is available only on the Pro version of Hash Photos. The saved image keeps high resolution compared to screenshots. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.